So today we're going to talk about how to install pokemon-colorscripts. It's a plugin to get a Pokemon at the start of your terminal, like that, with the name of the Pokemon even. It's not that difficult to install. I'm going to use Yay as my installer, and I type pokemon-colorscripts. There's only one, so I'm going to install that one. I already installed it, so I'm gonna skip that step. After that, there's some different approaches to which shell you're using. You can check that with Echo 0. I'm using Bash, so I'm typing nano. Oh. I forgot the dot. Then you add this line, so it starts at the start of your terminal. After that, you can restart your terminal and there should be a Pokemon at the start of it. If there are any questions, there is the documentation, and yeah.